Alright, so this is our second day attempt to try to find the pass through the mountains to get from Pinnacle Park over to America's Home Place property. And we have been traversing this ridge line, which we believe is going to be the right way. We've been hanging pieces of toilet paper on the tree. That's all we've got to mark our way back, so we can go back and take down our campsite and bring all our gear with us if this is the right trail. We've been unsuccessful the first day in finding it. It's our second attempt. Kind of pretty little walkthrough right here in the All right, let's go up.